headlines in the last 90 minutes, a panel of House lawmakers voting to reopen an investigation into whether the governor illegally lobbied while she was still a state lawmaker.
Earlier this month, the House Ethics Committee voted to dismiss all charges against Governor Haley. Since then, it's requested more information and now has moved to reopen the probe. The complaint against the governor began as a lawsuit that was thrown out by the courts. Brian McConkey live in the newsroom tonight with more in our top story. Brian?
Well, Daryl, this all means that Governor Nikki Haley will be opened up to even more scrutiny in the coming weeks. The House panel's decision to reopen this probe is the second blow against Haley in the last 2 weeks in this case, and it came overwhelmingly on a 6-0 vote tonight, just weeks after the committee requested more documents about Haley's work with Lexington Medical Center and engineering firm Wilbur Smith while she was a lawmaker. Now, she provided sworn affidavits last week, leading to Wednesday night's roughly 90-minute hearing. Her attorney, Butch Bowers, addressing that panel of lawmakers, he continues to maintain the governor did not break any laws, did not lobby for Lexington Medical Center while she was a lawmaker, and the panel has seen no evidence to show otherwise, he claims. Well, the House Ethics Committee is about to get a chance to see even more. They want to hear from some people, at least one member saying there are plenty of unanswered questions. The panel's move to reopen this case means a public hearing is in the cards and witnesses will be called, adding to what some are calling a political circus.
Will we ever be able to satisfy the folks that's out political agenda against the governor? Probably never. But we want to be assured ourselves that we've got the facts.
I don't believe it's beating a dead horse. I wouldn't describe it that way. What I believe is that the rule of law prevailed today, that we followed what we should have done.
This is all a red herring, because it doesn't matter who she worked for. What matters as a matter of law is her conduct. And she didn't lobby.
Well, the House Ethics panel will have much more to say about that issue. Now, the members of the panel will turn in a list of people they want to testify and will vote on who they would like to appear. That's coming up at their next meeting. Now, tonight, the panel is singling out one person, though, that they do want to hear from, and that's Republican activist John Rainey. He's the person that brought the initial complaint against Governor Haley and has been very quiet while this situation has played out over the last month or so. A public hearing in this could be held within 30 days.